Hello, and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 5 minutes to discuss 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Forum. The forum is a high-impact weekly live webinar exclusive for Smartkarma Plus subscribers, where we use the forum to discuss the best, highest conviction insights surfaced across the Smartkarma network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma but that of our internet providers, and Shadowmouse rule applies. At the end of every week, we take video recordings of the forum and convert them into short bite-sized pieces and upload them onto our YouTube channel to make it easy for you to share these ideas at your own time and pace. This also makes it easier for you to share these ideas with your friends and get their feedback. Every week, we try to bring you a range of ideas from large caps, small and mid caps, as well as core thematics. Today, we'll begin by looking at Shakeys Pizza. Then we will move on to TSMC, and lastly, we'll take a look at the US-China Accord and will this boost global liquidity. Let's begin by taking a look at Shakeys Pizza. The ticker is PIZZAPM, and this is an insight covered by Samir Taneja on the Smartkarma platform. Shakeys Pizza operates a chain of full-service restaurants in the Philippines. H123 results will be out soon. The estimate Q1 H1 FY23 revenue to grow 36% over 59% and profits by 31% and 71% respectively. Further led by slight margin expansion for Q2 over Q1 as guided by the company. Currently trading at 14.5 times and 11.1 times PE with a growth profile of more than 20% CAGR over the next 4 to 5 years. Shakeys Pizza could be an attractive investment opportunity. Next, we have TSMC. The ticker is TSMUS, and this is insight covered by Douglas O'Loughlin. TSMC is a Taiwanese multinational semiconductor contract manufacturing and design company. They reported earnings beat Q2 estimates, but they guided down Q3 and FY23 estimates. This was unexpected. The negative 10% annual guide threw some water on the H2 recovery. Yes, the H2 will be higher than H1, but the recovery is much more muted than historical. And what's more, margins are looking worse for N3 than a typical node. Lastly, we'll be taking a look at a secret US-China Accord. Will it boost global liquidity? This is an insight covered by Michael J. Howell on the Smartkarma platform. The Treasury Secretary Yellen's recent trip lead to a US-China Accord that allows the US dollar to weaken and China's PBOC to ease again. Markets are acting as if this happened, but in reality, this accord reinforces existing forex and liquidity trends. Emerging market liquidity is currently high. This is inconsistent with an upcoming recession, but aligns with a rising global liquidity cycle. Expect more US and China easing. If you found the forum useful but have follow-up questions, please feel free to continue the conversation on Smartkarma. We hope to speak to you next week, and until then, all the best and goodbye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll never miss out on another episode. If you liked these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thank you for watching and see you next week.